Have you ever pondered over the profound impact your attitude has on your life? Let's unravel this. Attitude, in essence, is our overall outlook or disposition towards something or someone. It's a blend of our beliefs, feelings, and actions, shaping our perception and interaction with the world. It's like a compass, guiding our thoughts and behaviors. As you can see, our attitude is like a lens through which we view our lives. Now, to fully grasp the concept of attitude, it's crucial to understand its three main components. First up, we have the cognitive component. This involves our thoughts and beliefs about a specific subject. For instance, if you believe that hard work leads to success, that's the cognitive component at play. Next, we have the affective component, which relates to our emotional reactions. If the thought of hard work fills you with excitement or dread, that's the affective component. Lastly, there's the behavioral component. This reflects how these beliefs and emotions translate into action. If you're working late hours to achieve your goals, that's your behavioral component in action. The interplay of these components forms our attitude, significantly impacting our daily lives. So, how exactly does our attitude influence us? Well, attitudes, whether positive, negative, or neutral, play a pivotal role in our personal growth, relationships, and mental health. A positive attitude, for instance, can act as a catalyst for resilience, success, and overall life satisfaction. Conversely, a negative mindset can create obstacles, hindering our growth and affecting our mental well-being. It's essential to remember that our attitude is the lens through which we view the world. Clearly, our attitude can be a game changer, shaping our experiences, behaviors, and overall life satisfaction. In essence, understanding the nature and influence of attitude is a stepping stone to personal growth. Remember, it's all about our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Cultivate positivity for a fulfilling life. If you found this video insightful and wish to delve deeper into psychology and personal growth, subscribe to our channel for more. Your support fuels our content creation journey.